Hello students, up to now we did the problems on mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. In today's class we have to discuss about mean, median and mode of grouped data. Okay, so mean, median and mode grouped data. Okay, grouped data consists of class intervals and frequency. Class intervals and frequency. Okay, in class intervals we have two types. First one is inclusive classes and exclusive classes. What are inclusive classes and exclusive classes? Suppose for example I am taking class interval as 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40. Okay, these are the different classes. Here in this class interval, in the first class interval, here 0 is called lower limit. What is that? Lower limit. And 10 is called upper limit. Okay, lower limit, upper limit. Next class, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, and so on. Okay. Suppose in this class, the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are equal. Okay. If the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are equal, this type of classes are known as exclusive classes. Okay. Exclusive classes. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40 and so on. Okay. So this type of classes are known as exclusive classes. When we have to say this one, if the upper limit of the first class and lower limit of the next class are equal. Okay. If the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are equal, then this type of classes are known as exclusive classes. Suppose another example, I am taking 1 to 10, 11, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40 and so on. Here the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal. Here these two are not equal. Okay, next here, 21, 30, 31, 40, 41, 50 and so on. 41, 50 and so on. Okay. The upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class, these two are not equal. Next one, 30, 31. Here upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal. Okay, this type of classes are known as inclusive classes. Okay. When the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal, then we have to find the boundaries. Okay. Upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal. Then we have to find the boundaries. How to find the boundaries? See here. Here 1, 10, 11, 20. See here. Suppose I am taking some classes 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40 and so on. Okay. In these classes, the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal. Okay. The upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class are not equal, then we have to find the boundaries. Why we have to find the boundaries? To make it into continuous classes. Okay. 10, 11, 20, 21, 30, 31. Here these two are not equal. How to find the boundaries? See here, this is lower boundary. From the lower boundary, from the lower limit, subtract 0.5. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. We get lower boundary. Lower boundary. Next one, add 0.5 to the upper limit. We get upper boundary. Upper boundary. Okay. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, we get lower boundary. Add 0.5 to the upper limit, we get upper boundary. Okay. See now, subtract 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 to add 0.5 to the upper limit. 10.5. Next one, subtract 0.5. 10.5. Next 20.5. Next 20.5. 30.5. So 30.5, 40.5, and so on. Now we will get the continuous classes. Okay. So for this reason we have to find the boundaries. See the example here. Find the mean of the given data. So here class interval and frequency is given. So using this we have to find the arithmetic mean. So there are three methods to find the arithmetic mean. The first one is direct method. Direct method. Second one is assumed mean method. And third one is shortcut method. Or step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay. So direct method is we have to find the mid values and frequency. After that we have to multiply the mid values with frequency, we get some values, and we have to take their sum and sigma fx here. Some of these values are nothing but sigma fx, and sum of the frequency is nothing but n. So x bar is equal to sigma fx by n. Okay. Now you find to find the arithmetic mean in any method, we have to take the mid values. For any method we have to find the mid values. Mid values are taken as xi and frequency is taken as fi. Okay. Mid value formula is a plus b by 2. So that is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2 or average of this class. Okay. Now 0 plus 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. Next 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. Next one 30 plus 20, 50 by 2, that is 25. Next one 30 plus 40, 70 by 2, 35. Next one 40 plus 50, 90 by 2, 45. Next 50 plus 60, 110 by 2, 55. Okay. Next one fi xi. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 15 7s are 105. 25 15s are 25 5s are 125. 12 remainder. 25 1s are 25 plus 12. 37. Next 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. Next 45 3s are 135. 55 2s are 110. Okay. Now you find sigma fi xi. Sum of these values. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 5s are 20. 2 remainder. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 3. 6 plus 8. 14 plus 7. 21 plus 2. 23. 2 remainder. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 2. 6 plus 3. 9 plus 1. 10. Okay. Next here, sum of the frequencies. N is equal to sigma fi is equal to how much? 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 15, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 35 plus 3, 38 plus 2, 40. Okay. Now we have to find x bar. Arithmetic mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So this is nothing but sigma fi xi by n. Okay. Now sigma fi xi is how much? 1030. 1030 by n is equal to 40. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 103 by 4. See, 103 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 2. 23. 4 5s are 20. 3 remainder 0. 4 7s are 28. 2 remainder 0. 5s are. So that is equal to 25.75. So this is the arithmetic mean of group data. Okay. Find the arithmetic mean by using this class interval and frequency. Now we have to find the arithmetic mean by using assumed mean method. So in assumed mean method we have to find the values of, first one is mid values. Next one is deviation. That is nothing but di. Mid values are taken as xi. Next fi di we have to find fi di. Okay. After that we have to find sigma fi di. Next formula. Okay. First one mid values xi. Next one deviation di. Next one fi di. Next one sigma fi di. Next one formula. So in this formula we have to substitute the values. We will get the arithmetic mean. Now mid values. So mid values are a plus b by 2 formula, 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. Next 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. 30 plus 20, 50 by 2, 25. Next one 30 plus 40, 70 by 2, 35. Next one 40 plus 50, 90 by 2, 45. 50 plus 60, 110 by 2, 55. Okay. Next, from these mid values we have to assume one value taken as a. So generally we have to take a from the opposite value of the highest frequency. Okay. The opposite value of the highest frequency is taken as a in general. Okay. Next one, mid values are taken as xi. Next deviation, di is equal to xi minus a. Deviation xi minus a. Now xi is mid values, a is 25. So 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. 15 minus 25, minus 10. 25 minus 25 itself is 0. Next one, 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 25, 20. 55 minus 25, 30. Next one, FIDI. Okay. Next one, FIDI. 5 into 20, 100. So F5, this is DI. 5 into minus 20, minus 100. 7 into minus 10, minus 70. 15 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80. 3 into 20, 60. 2 into 30, 60. After this, you find sigma FIDI. Sigma FIDI. Okay. So that is equal to how much? This is 1 minus 170 and this is 140 plus 60, 200. Okay, plus 200 minus 170, that is plus 30. 30. Okay, now use the formula. What is the formula? X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi, or A plus sigma Fi di by n. Okay, now what is A? Is 25. A is 25 plus sigma Fi di is 30 by n. Sum of the frequencies. How much? 40. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 25 plus 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is nothing but 25 plus 0.75. Okay, this is equal to 25.75. See, in the previous problem, we get 25.75 in direct method. Okay, direct method x bar is equal to 25.75. In deviation method also we get x bar is equal to 25.75. Okay. Next method is shortcut method or step deviation method. Shortcut method or step deviation method. Here I am taking the same problem which we done in the previous. Okay, so the class interval is 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. And frequency is 5, 7, 15, 8, 3, 2. Okay, class interval and frequency is given. In any of these three methods which we have to find the mean, mid value is common. Okay, so how to find the mid value? Mid value is nothing but the average of the class interval. Okay, so average A plus B by 2. So 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 by 2, 45. 50 plus 60 by 2, 55. Right? Next one. Next column is deviation, di. So di is equal to xi minus a. Xi minus a. So what is xi? Mid values. A is, what is A? A is assumed mean. What is that? Assumed mean. Assumed mean is taken from mid values. So in any of these values you can take any one, but I am taking the value which is opposite to frequency, highest frequency. Okay. Now A is 25. Next xi is mid values. 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Next one. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 25 minus 25 0. 35 minus 25 10. 45 minus 25 20. 55 minus 25 30. Okay. Next column is ui. Ui is equal to xi minus a by h. Okay, ui is equal to xi minus a by h. What is h? H is nothing but height of the class. Okay, height of the class, h is equal to how much here? H is equal to 10. Okay, now xi minus a by h. Xi minus a is minus 20 and h is 10. So minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Next one, minus 10 by 10, minus 1. 0 by 10, 0. 10 by 10, 1. 2 by 10, 20 by 10, 2. 30 by 10, 3. Okay. Next column is FIUI. FIUI. Okay. So Fi is frequency, Ui is xi minus a by h. Now FIUI, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 15 into 0, 0. 8 into 1, 8. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now the sum of these two is minus 17. And sum of these positive values is 8 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20. Okay. Plus 20. This is plus 20 and this is minus 17. Then sigma Fi ui is equal to the difference of positive values and negative values is plus 20 minus 17, that is plus 3. Okay, FIUI is equal to 3. Next here n is equal to how much? 5 plus 7, 12 plus 15, 27 plus 8, 35 plus 3, 38 plus 2, 40. N is equal to 40. Now formula. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. Okay. Now a, what is a? Assumed mean. How much? 25. 25 plus sigma Fi ui 3 by sigma Fi 40 into h 10. Now 25 plus 3 by 40 into 10. So 0 0 cancel, or 10 ones are 10 fours are. Now 25 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 25 plus 0.75. 3 by 4 is 0.75, that is equal to 25.75. So in the previous questions also we get the same value, x bar is equal to 25.75. Direct method, x bar is equal to, for the same question, x bar is equal to 25.75. Assumed mean method, x bar is equal to 25.75, and shortcut method or step deviation method, we get 25.75. In any of these three we get the same value. Okay, understood? Thank you.